Hello everyone, good day and welcome to the Microsoft Word application course. In a couple of videos we will be taking you through graphics and design in Microsoft Word. So the topics you see on the list are the topics we will be dealing with. So we will be making separate videos. In this particular video I will be going through inserting and editing chart. So in order to begin, let us pull up one of the documents we created already, that is the practice doc. So if you want to add charts or graphs, as many of you would know it in your document, you can do that by first going to the location where you want that chart or graph to appear, and then you go to insert menu, click insert menu, and go to illustration group, and then on the illustration group you click chart icon. So add a chart. So I click it, I get a dialog box, and in that dialog box I see here all kinds of chart, and currently it's showing me a column chart, and I can choose any type of chart I want, like a line chart. And when you choose the type of chart, next to that you will see different other types or subtypes of it. So you can take this type of line chart or that one, and there's also bar chart. You can also do that. So it's up to you to decide what kind of chart and how you want to represent the information and the chart that you want. That can determine the type of chart you want. Some of you know histogram, So we will keep it simple. We will just go with the column chart, and we will just go with the first column chart, and we will simply say OK. Now watch what happens. So Word displays the chart that you have chosen here, and also displays a data sheet, much more like what you see in Excel. And in that data sheet you can start modifying the information you want to fit in your chart. So depending on what you want to do, so you see here on the rows, see the categories which are on the horizontal part, and on each column you see the series, which points to the numbers, and each series are represented by a certain color. So 3 series, and they each have their values for each category. So let's go to category 1 and modify it, and we say this is let's say car ID, for example, and we can say the age, and we can say engine size, and here you can actually maybe just say number of seats. Okay, so, and then you see that this horizontal part is changing to what you wanted. So for each car ID you can simply say, okay, this is 4, and you can leave the rest as is. So for the age you can say one is let's say 5, the other is 7, and this is 3. And for the engine size of each series, by the way, we could rename the series. This could be numbers or something, depends on what you want to do. So let's say you talk about a Volvo, let's say this one you call Opel, and this you call Suzuki. And for different types of car, you can look at their car ID, the age, the engine size, and the seat. And let's assume these are the numbers. Let's not do so many things. Now when you do that and you're finished with editing, then you're ready to see your graph. To do that, you just simply click on the page, and you see it doesn't go away, so that means you have to double click. So I double click, That's because I'm probably clicking around the chart area. So I will go below the chart area and I will click. This should go away because normally it just should work. And let's see, or maybe we can close this. So we use the close button and you can see the chart on its own. So basically this is how to create a chart in Word. Now if you want to modify the chart, you simply double click on the chart to bring out the data sheet and you can modify the data sheet. So let's do that. Go on the chart and double click. That's not working, so let's try again. Double click, or we can say right click and let's say edit chart. Should be somewhere, right? Change chart type, no. Edit data. So if you right click on the chart and you click edit data, that will bring back the Excel. So let's close it again. Let's close format this. To show you how to edit your chart again, right click on the chart and select edit data. And here you can say, okay, I want to change that of Opel to number of seat to 3, and this guy to 4, and let's keep this one at 6. And each time you do that, it keeps changing within the chart. And once you do that, you can, click here to close, and then that is reflected. So basically this is how you do it, and this is how you create a chart and edit it in Microsoft Word. So as we go along, we will also show you a number of other things that you can do. So this is the end of this video for now. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.